Not that kind of crook. This kind, a turn or a bend. This is a crook problem. It's a set of parallel lines and in the middle some type of bend. There could be more than one bend, but for our first problem we'll start with just one. We're looking to find the measure or the value of x. So the first thing we do is apply the parallel postulate, which states, given a line and a point not on the line, there is one and only one parallel line. Then we know that the 30-degree angle is going to be congruent to this angle here, because if lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are congruent. Now that we've reached the x, we want to start at the bottom half of the Crook problem. And there we can see that if we have parallel lines, then interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So the supplement of 100 is 80. Then our angle, or our value of x, is going to be the sum of 30 and 80, which is 110. In our second example, we see two parallel lines. One angle is marked at 45 degrees and the other at 65. We are asked to find the value of x. Always start with the parallel postulate. That's always step one. Draw a horizontal line through the vertex of the bend. Then think of the axioms that will allow us to make inferences from parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are congruent. Now start at the base, the other parallel line. If that's 65, then I can also use alternate interior angles here, which means the other part of x is also 65 degrees. Thus, solving for x, 45 plus 65 is 110. I could have just as easily applied other axioms, perhaps supplementary angles, but then I would have ended up in the same spot. My point is that these are not the only axioms you can use, but you should use the axioms from our system. Some Crook problems can have more than one vertex. You approach them the same way. Begin with parallel lines through those points. So I started with the parallel postulate and I drew parallel lines through those points. Now I have 4 lines that are all parallel to each other. If we have parallel lines, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So that's 45. That must also be 45. This angle was marked as being a right angle, so 90 minus 45 gives me 45. Then again, parallel lines implies alternate interior angles are congruent, so this part is 45 as well. Now that I've reached the x part, I'm going to start at the bottom parallel line and work my way up. Since the lines are parallel, I could use interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. 180 minus 60 is 20. So then the 45 plus the 20 gives me 65 degrees. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Smash that like button. You know you wanna. Come on, come on. Give it a thumbs up.